Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the WAHL All-Star combo. This is part of the classic series of corded salon products. Now, this is a professional corded clipper as well as trimmer combination. You can see the front side of the packaging. It's basically a clamshell packaging, so you can see everything that's on the inside. So you have the WAHL Super Taper clipper and the WAHL Peanut trimmer, along with 4 combs. There's nothing to be said about the sides because, well, it has none. And on the back side, you can see more packaging within which a lot of components are present. Over here, we can see the warranty statement inside and also the pricing details over here. Let's just go ahead with the unboxing and pull everything out to get a clearer view. We've gone ahead and unlatched all the clips, plastic clips. With that, we can open the box. So we have 4 combs on the front side. There's the cabling going all the way into the latter half of the package. More cabling for the clipper. Then you have plenty of accessories. First one being some lubricating oil as well as a brush to clean your trimmer blades. Then you have a pouch full of combs. Then you have some documentation. First one is for the WAHL Professional Corded Trimmer. They've listed all the accessories that come in the packaging. Should always read through the instructions properly to understand exactly how to operate it and how to set it up. And also instructions will be provided on how you can replace the blades. Then you have another instruction manual. This one's for the corded clipper, so the big one. Again, read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate your device. The last piece of documentation is a proof of purchase. It's basically a warranty card with some note on the back where you can fill in your proof of purchase. We'll just go ahead and remove all the combs. Yeah, some of the combs that were on the front side of the packaging. Another bunch of combs are present in a separate plastic packaging. So this is everything that you find within the packaging. You have the main clipper. This is the WAHL Super Taper. Then you have the WAHL Peanut trimmer. So with the trimmer, you get 4 combs. These are for 3mm, 6mm, 10mm, and 13mm of hair length. Then with the clipper, you get 6 combs. You can easily distinguish the two by looking at the size or rather the width of the comb. The bigger ones fit the bigger blade, obviously. The dimensions are 3mm, 6mm, 10mm, 13mm, 19mm, and 25mm. The dimension that I just mentioned is for the hair length that the comb will leave behind on your body once you use this particular comb. Then obviously we saw the lubricating oil as well as the cleaning brush. Each device comes with a little guard, which is red in color. You can easily remove that. This is to keep the blade safe and protected. You should always clip it back on when you're not using it. The trimmer, that is the WAHL Peanut, has one button on the left-hand side. It's a little power slider. So it has a little 1 and 0 mentioned. 0 means off, 1 means on. So slide it up to power it on, slide it down to power it off. It comes with its own power supply. So this thing is rated for 12 volts at 500 milliamperes. So you have to use it with this particular power adapter. There's no other choice. The WAHL Super Taper, which is the main clipper, comes with a normal AC socket. This is a 3-pin Indian power plug and it's quite heavy. It too has a little guard which you can remove to access the blade. And you should always use the guard or rather slap the guard back onto the blade to protect it when you're not using it. There's a little on-off switch at the bottom and a small adjustment blade over here. So you can see pulling the lever down ensures that the blade goes up and pulling the lever up brings it back down. So this is a minor adjustment that you would perform once you've put on a comb, or even without the comb you can use it. There's nothing of importance on the right hand side. This little screw that you see is something you'd only adjust once at the very beginning when you're installing or rather using this for the first time. If you hear a sharp noise when you power the device on, that means that the motor is not engaging with the blade assembly properly. So you'd either unscrew or screw it properly till the noise becomes clear and it's a normal buzzing sound. If there's any sharp sound, you need to adjust the blade length. So that's it for the unboxing of the WAHL All-Star combo. This is part of the Classic series. Thank you for watching.